are doing great! Win this relay race! Ah! I am running as fast as I can. We are going to win!
Be careful, everyone. Keep your eyes on the track while you are running.
I will pass it right now. Watch out, I am coming through quickly. Oh my goodness! Leo just tripped on the ground. He is falling down. Leo, are you okay? That looked like a really bad fall just now. Ouch! My knee hurts so much. I cannot even move my leg properly.
Everyone, step back right now. Give Leo some space so he can breathe. Do not panic, kids. I will check his leg. Does it hurt here?
Yes, it hurts a lot when you touch that spot. Please be careful.
Can you try to stand up slowly? Lean on my shoulder for support.
I cannot put any weight on my left foot. It is too painful. Let us sit down on this bench. I will call the school nurse. Should we get some ice for his knee? It might stop the swelling. Yes, please go to the nurse's office and ask for an ice pack. I will stay right here with you, Leo. You are very brave today.
Hello, is this Leo's father? This is his physical education teacher calling you.
Yes, speaking. Is everything all right at school? Why are you calling me now?
Please do not worry too much, but Leo had a small accident today.
What happened to him? Is he seriously injured? I am getting very worried.
He tripped during a relay race. His knee is hurt, but he is awake.
I will leave work immediately. I am coming to the school right now.
We are in the nurse's office. He is safe and waiting for you.
Thank you for letting me know. I will be there in 10 minutes.
What is wrong, honey? You look incredibly pale and nervous all of a sudden.
Leo got hurt during his gym class. We need to go to school. Grab your coat and your car keys. We do not have any time.
I am ready to go. Please drive safely, but get us there fast.
I will do my best. I just hope his injury is not serious.
Does the ice pack make your knee feel a little bit better, Leo? Yes, it is very cold, but the sharp pain is slowly going away.
Keep the ice on your knee for another 5 minutes. You are doing great.
When will my parents arrive? I really want to see my mom now. They should be here very soon. Dad promised he would drive very fast.
Leo! Where are you? We came as quickly as we possibly could today.
Oh, my sweet boy. Let me look at your knee. Are you okay?
I am fine, Mom. It just hurts a little bit when I move.
Thank goodness you are safe. What exactly happened out there on the field?
Well, it was quite a scare. The ball came at them very fast. They were running a relay race. Leo suddenly lost his balance and fell.
Did you see what caused him to lose his balance and fall down?
I am not entirely sure. Everything happened incredibly fast during the running race.
Lily, you were standing right there. Did you see what made him trip?
I saw him running really fast. Then he stumbled and hit the ground. I was cheering for him. I did not see anything on the ground.
Thank you for telling me. I think we need to go look at the sports field right now.
I will stay here with Leo. You go and check the running track. I will show you exactly where the accident happened. Please follow me outside.
I want to make sure the field is safe for all the students.
Do you think somebody pushed Leo while he was running so fast today? I do not know. Maybe someone bumped into him by accident during the race. Oh no. What if someone actually hurt my brother on purpose today?
Let us not jump to any conclusions before we know the whole truth.
Your father is right, Lily. We must find the facts before blaming anyone.
Where exactly did Leo fall down during the race? Can you point there?
It was right over there, near the white line on the running track. Let's take a closer look.
Let us walk over to that spot and look closely at the ground.
The surface looks a bit uneven right here.
Do you see this bump? You are absolutely right. The ground is raised slightly in this specific area.
Wow, I never noticed that bump before. It is very hard to see.
If he was running fast, hitting this bump would easily make him fall.
Did anyone see another student running very close to Leo at that moment?
No, the boy in front of him had already moved far away earlier. And nobody was running behind him either. He was totally by himself there.
So, nobody pushed him. He simply tripped on this uneven piece of ground.
That makes me feel much better. It was just an unfortunate little accident.
I am so glad nobody tried to hurt Leo on purpose today.
I will report this uneven ground to the principal so they can fix it.
That is a very good idea. We do not want anyone else falling.
Let us go back inside and tell Leo the good news about this.
Are you feeling a little bit better now, Leo? We are very sorry. Now, yes, I am doing fine. I was just really scared at first today. We apologize for guessing things and making everyone so worried earlier today. It is very easy to panic when something unexpected suddenly happens to us.
Everyone, please gather around me right now. We need to talk about this. When an accident happens, we must help the injured person first of all. After that, we must look for the truth very carefully and calmly.
Please do not blame anyone before you know exactly what truly happened. Haha. Just breathe.
Thanks, Dad. I understand now. I will be much more careful when I run fast.
It is time to go home now, Leo. Can you walk slowly?
Yes, Mom. My knee feels much better after resting for a while. Please do not run so incredibly fast next time, my dear brother. I promise I will not. But you must cheer for me very loudly. I will. I will always cheer for you because you are my favorite brother.
Goodbye, Leo. Please rest well at home and take care of your knee.
Thank you so much for helping him immediately when the accident happened.
And thank you to all his friends for caring about him today.
I realize now that one small accident can easily scare so many people.
Finding someone to blame is never the most important thing to do. The most important thing is finding the truth and helping each other out.
That is a very wonderful lesson, Dad. I will always remember it.
Let us get into the car and go home for a delicious dinner.
Remember, accidents can always happen when we do not expect them to happen.
Stay calm, find the truth, and never rush to blame other people.
Always care for your friends and help them when they are in trouble.